So we're here to run an inclusion workshop. This deals with inclusion, equality and diversity. But unlike more traditional workshops, we're using drama scenarios to bring this subject to life. The advantage of working through drama is that it engages participants on an emotional and a personal level. So whilst our traditional workshops are great at getting information across and getting detail across, this allows people to really explore the impact of one person's behaviour on another. It enables them to engage with situations and characters in a way that they find non-threatening, because we do the role play, the participants are just being themselves. And it also allows them to challenge perhaps things that they maybe have never thought about before. Well, actually, I've never really thought about it before, but I've never thought that what I do or say could impact on someone else. We get a lot of interaction, we've got a lot of really lively involvement.
They've been Walking Dead all week.
The what?
Walking Dead, Elderly Day Centre.
Oh! Just imagine a big fat gypsy wedding, like a couple of slags and a punch up and a horse in the church, and it's just going to be like smiling and just collapse in a pool of sick. Yeah.
The actors are very good, very professional, and I really enjoyed it.
I think that taking this sort of approach where it is quite fun and informal just helps to get the messages across in a better way. It will really embed in people's minds.